Hi guys! Yep, it has been a while, right? So I'm back. So what a bummer. Today I really feel like drinking some soda water. But what I usually do is when I ran out of NingXia Zyng, or like today I have a NingXia Zyng. I have like a brand new NingXia drink with me. But what a bummer. It's not cold. I would rather not drink, I would rather not drink it today when it's not cold. But on the bright side, I have my NingXia Red, which is cold, and my soda water. So this is what I usually do, right? So if like we don't depend on NingXia Zyng only, right? So okay, I'll open this up, and this is what I do. I don't know why I have such cravings for soda water. So alright, so this is it, and put the remaining back to the fridge, or maybe like for your second drink. So this is about 1 cm of the NingXia Red and a newly opened soda water. I'll just throw it up like that. Yummers! It's so yummy, right? It feels and looks so yummy. So that's it. Like you just can whip your own soda water, like with just NingXia and soda water. This is your drink. So inviting, right?